Uro thurita wakili wa thirikari Justin Muturi muthenya jwana rwananyuithitwe muuma gutwika mumemba wa rwangi rwa ugambithania ni ru Judicial Service Commission. Akiaria Muturi nariritie uria rwangi rwa ugambithania ruri na ngugi nene ya kurita kenda gutigira mawatho ja katiba ni za gukinyanira. Anthony Kathenya ni agutariria nkuruki.
I, Justin Kunyua Muturi, being appointed as the Attorney General of the Republic of Kenya,
nyuma ya Kunyua Muuma wa mbere muthenya wena kiume kithiru ta mwanasheria munene wa thirikari Justin Kunyua Muturi muthenya wa umri thaa 3 jarukire alalia kinyombani nene ya koti nene tayari Kunyua Muuma wa jeri ta umwe wa commissioners banene bagitengo kia judiciary. Mambura mama methire makithithu kwa ndianda kinga 30 na gutongerwa ni jaji munene Martha Koome amona gukujirwa ni commissioners bangi bagitengo iki gia koti.
I, Justin Kunyua Muturi, having been appointed under Article 171(2) paragraph E of the Constitution of Kenya as a member of the Judicial Service Commission, do swear that I will at all times obey, respect and uphold the Constitution of Kenya and all other laws of the Republic.
Akiaria nyuma ya Kunyua Muuma Muturi ni akathita gitengo iki gia koti gitongeritwe ni jaji munene Martha Koome nontu ba kwendera gutigira Kenya bakona kigwa kagita kega amona gukatha gitengo iki gia koti nontu ba kwendera kulinda uhuru bwa katiba.
My Lady, the Honorable Chief Justice and Honorable Commissioners, I should thank you for the great work that you've done so far towards the building of the kind of the judiciary that the people of Kenya through the Constitution aspire to. Much progress has been made, especially since the promulgation of the new Constitution in 2010. But whereas more still remains to be done, there is no doubt there has been significant and commendable progress in enhancing access to justice and in making our courts more effective, efficient, and transparent. As a result, public confidence continues to grow in our courts as they increasingly assert their independence by rendering decisions that reflect fidelity to the law. On this, my first day with you, may I assure you of my full and unwavering support and commitment towards the fulfillment of the role of this commission.
O kagita ka Muturi ni rithitie kareta ume bwae bo gutunga watho kenda gutigira watho bula bugwitukua ni bula bugutigira gitengo iki gia koti kwilungamia kiongwa gitugutonyerwa ni thirikari nene kana mtu no weko migambo eno kigwata kwa mbaru ni jaji munene Martha Koome.
I also hope to share with you my experience having interacted with the work of this commission and the judiciary from the legislative perspective as a member of parliament and lastly as a speaker of the National Assembly and the chair of the Parliamentary Service Commission.
I am certain you will be a valuable team player in the commission and you will serve as a link between the commission and the executive branch as we work towards the realization of the constitutional mandate of the Judicial Service Commission.
Koome aidha ni aulite Muturi kuruta ngugi ya ebola kubaterie na kulingana na katiba.
In addition, the oath equally requires you to serve this country to the best of your abilities, bearing in mind the enormous responsibilities that are placed before you.
Kuma mji munene Nairobi, Beta Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.